Hello, welcome back. Today I have another ink review video for you. This is called Jade Green. It's by Diamine, and we're just going to shake this up and give this a try. I really like the inks that they have. If you are new, I'm very new to fountain pens and fountain pen ink, so if you're new like me and you're not sure what to start with, all the inks by Diamine so far have been excellent. I really haven't had, I guess I shouldn't say it like that, because it's not like there's some companies where the inks have been bad, but they're pretty solid. They're inexpensive, you know, for the price, and they're good quality for the price, and they are small enough bottles. Some like these are in slightly smaller bottles, so if you hate the color, you're not stuck with like a massive 40 ounces, or not 40 ounces, I'm sorry, whatever it is, 40 milliliters or whatever that they usually pack the larger bottles in. So anyhow, basically what I'm saying is there's less of an investment. And I've never had a color from them that I didn't like. So they're a pretty safe bet either way, no matter how you look at it. And I've just had very good luck with their ink. So what I'm going to do real quick is set this swatch aside and let it dry, and then I will be right back. All right, I'm back. So I'm going to take some copy paper. We're going to test this out on different papers. And the reason I try this out on copy paper is because sometimes you have a situation where you might only have access to cheap paper like copy paper. Maybe you're going to use this ink in a pen at work or school, and you want to be able to you want to know how the ink is going to perform on cheap paper before you go out and buy a bottle. So everybody has their reasons for using what they use. And this one looks like it's performing okay. I'm not seeing any major problems, any major feathering yet. We're going to let it dry and see how it looks. But so far it's a very pretty green color, very bright and happy. This is a very nice color, and it's also very well pigmented. Trying really hard not to shake the camera here. And this paper is HP 32. HP 32 paper is copy paper, but it's much better quality. It has a nice coating on it, so when you're writing, the ink tends to pool on it a little bit more than it would on normal copy paper, so you get to see some of the special effects of the ink sometimes. So of course this already looks better than the other one. The color is nicer and bolder, and the lines are crisper. So this is a really, really nice color on the nicer papers. It's definitely, the nicer papers are definitely showing off what this ink has. It's very nice for what it is. Like I said, you know, an inexpensive ink and easy to find. This is a really, really good color. And it's not doing anything, oops, didn't mean to cross that out. This isn't doing anything crazy, like there's no shimmers or anything in it. There's no sheen going on. It's just a really nice color, and it has a very happy, like summery green, I think. Very bright without being pale. All right, so let's take a look at how it performed on these papers. So on the copy paper, there's a teeny tiny bit of feathering around the edges, just barely, but I think this would be fine on copy paper. It has a very nice color. This would probably be really pretty to paint with if you wanted some pretty happy green. And there is some shading. I feel like it's trying on this copy paper, but it's not really that noticeable. On the HP 32, that's when you start to see the really nice shading come out. Very, very pretty. crisper lines, and the color is richer. So if you look at them side by side, you can tell immediately, like, this is much better quality on the HP32. The performance is better, I mean. And then on the Tomoe River, it's even better. So if you look at them all together like this, you can see already on this Tomoe River paper, the little splotches I did here, there's some really nice shading around the edges here. And you don't really see that on the other two. It has a really nice rich color like it does on the HP32, but on the Tomoe River, you're seeing more of the different colors, like the separation of colors is more noticeable on here. So you can see it going from, it's already a bright green, but it's going from brighter to darker. It's not just the shading, but the two different, there's definitely two different colors in here, like a light and a dark green essentially, and you can see it separating out a little bit here in the swatches. It's kind of hard to describe what it is I'm trying to describe, at least for me, and I think that's why I'm stumbling with my words here a little bit. But yeah, basically you see a lot more depth of color in this, and obviously the shading down here, very, very prominent, very pretty. And for a light green, this is a really nice one too. I really like the shading in this. I'm going to go grab the swatch real quick from the fan and I'll be right back. Alright, and I'm back with the swatch. So here's this. And you can see what I'm talking about a little bit more here. See how this is like a really light, almost a lemony green, and then down here it's more of like a grassy green. It's very, very pretty. And then you've got this beautiful halo shading around the edges, and in the writing down here the shading is so pretty. This is a really nice shading green. If you want a lighter colored green that has a nice shading, this one's excellent. It performs really, really well. I don't have any issues with it. So and of course, like I said, these colors, this ink is typically pretty inexpensive. So if you want to just get one to try it, definitely worth it. I'll leave a link down below where you can find it. And if there's another color like that you would like to see me try out, leave a comment and I will do a video if I have the ink or if I can get it. And if you'd like to see more of these videos, just click like and subscribe so you can see more. And thank you so much for watching. You have a great day.